In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Clickfunnels. We'll walk through the process step by step so that by the end, your Clickfunnels account will be talking directly to HubSpot, and you'll be ready to capture leads and sync data without any extra manual work. First, start inside your Clickfunnels account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Workspace Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you control the higher-level configuration for your entire workspace, including the apps and services that connect to Clickfunnels. When the Workspace Settings page opens, look for the section called Integrations. Click on Integrations to open the list of all tools that can be connected. This is where Clickfunnels groups third-party services like email providers, CRMs, and other marketing tools. So anytime you want to add or manage a connection, this is where you'll come. On the Integrations page, you'll see a list or grid of supported applications. HubSpot is listed under the category for CRMs and sales tools. Take a moment to scroll through the options until you find HubSpot. If you have a search bar available, you can also type HubSpot to locate it more quickly. Once you see HubSpot, click on it. This will open a connection or setup window where Clickfunnels will prompt you to log in and authorize access. You should see an option that says Login or something similar that indicates you're about to connect your HubSpot account. Click the Login button. A new window or tab will appear, taking you to HubSpot's secure login page. Here, enter your usual HubSpot login details, just as you normally would when signing into your HubSpot account. If you use features like two-factor authentication, be ready to complete that step as well. After you log in, HubSpot will display an authorization screen asking if you want to grant Clickfunnels access to your HubSpot data. This is what allows Clickfunnels to create or update contacts and generally sync information between the two platforms. Carefully review the permissions, then confirm or authorize the connection. Once you approve it, the window will close or redirect, and you should now see HubSpot listed as a connected integration inside your Clickfunnels settings. At this point, your Clickfunnels workspace is successfully linked to HubSpot, and you're ready to start using that connection in your funnels and automations.